Now, in this virtual lab list given to you have to do some experiments using this virtual lab. So in this, you can see in the electronics and communication scheme, there is analog electronics. Let us click that one. So you will be having these experiments here: log amplifier, Wien bridge oscillator, voltage regulator, voltage to current converter, function generator, voltage comparator, astable and monostable multivibrator. Let us see any one experiment. Let's say I am using this function generator using operational amplifier. So when you click this one, you are having these tabs: aim, theory, pre-test, procedure, simulation, post-test, and references. So what is the aim? So aim is to analyze function generator using op-amp. Now let's read certain theory. So you students are supposed to go through this theory. After that, you click on pre-test. Solve this pre-test. There is a quiz on this lab experiment which is supposed to be filled, or which is supposed to appear before doing the experiments. Then you see what is the procedure of this process. So it gives us a procedure: connect L4 to L8, L1 to L5, L2 to L6, L3 to L7. And this procedure, if we know, we should go for simulation. So let us see in the simulation what we are witnessing. There is a circuit diagram for a function generator where by the square wave, triangle, sinusoidal, and these waveforms will be generated. Now, as per the instructions given here, we will connect L4 to L8, L1 to L5, like that we are connecting. So let us say I am connecting this L1 to L5. Then as per instructions, L4 to L8 means this ground will connect to this one. Triangle, this L2, L2 to L6, we are connecting it. Now this sinusoidal pin to L7, and after doing this, we are supposed to check button whether it is correct connections or not. So we will check it. When we click a check, it says a right connection. If a wrong connection occurs, we are supposed to reset it and do the connections again. Now when we do it, now it's time to do the practical or experiment. Here we are seeing if I change the different amplitude, I am able to see all the graphs, means all the functions generated by this one, that is square wave, triangular, and sinusoidal. Now we have the control. If I change the slider to a different frequencies, I am able to see different functions with different frequencies. Like this is very low frequency. If I increase this one, this is also possible. If I change the amplitude, I can see like that one. And in this way, we are able to perform this experiment. So I suppose this is the easiest one to perform the simulation. After doing this, you can go for post quiz also. So let us stop this one and go for the post quiz. Here there is a post test and then the references. So I suppose this procedure is easy and you will be able to perform these experiments.